Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I know it's the wrong time of year. A little bit early to be doing Christmas, but somebody watched the video and sent me the video, and I couldn't even follow along very easily, so I just kind of came up with some of their ideas, and they did a great job. I'm not knocking them, but they don't talk. They just got music playing, and I had a little bit of trouble understanding what was going on. So I'm going to draw a ball. I'm going to hit P, which is pretty important in this case. We're going to make it 15 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 16, and I'm going to make a duplicate of that ball and move it over. Now on this ball, I'm going to grab, which I've never really ever used, is the mesh fill tool. And then I'm going to add some lines both directions. And I'm going to make some colors for this ball. So I'm going to make this one a bright red. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to make this one, holding down the control button, and add a little black, making it a darker red. Okay. Now he did a little bit better job than I'm going to do on the ball, but I'm not going to take my time. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend just 3 times. So we got 3 colors or 5 colors. There's my mesh fill. I'm going to select all the nodes of the mesh fill and go right here to the color eyedropper, and I'm going to color that ball that color. And then I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to pick those, and I'm going to go a little less. Well, I did the wrong thing. Let me back up here. I should have, there you go. I didn't use the eyedropper. I got the sample, but then I didn't fill it in. And see, you could change, the hue of the ball. You could put a little bit of a white there. And, you could really play around with it, make the white. I think it looked pretty good right off the bat. We're just going to leave it like that. That doesn't look half bad. If I was going to, well, let's just do it real quick. I need to get those balls, make it a little bit darker. Oh, I need to get see, I don't ever use this. This is cool though. Anyway, so then I just went on the internet and got a icicle. I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with white so we can kind of see it. And I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to go here, Object, Order, back a page so we can see our icicle, our snowflake. I'm going to hit the plus key and make another one. And maybe one more and make it smaller. Now here's the kind of the key. I'm going to take my icicles, we're not going to be able to see them. So I'm going to make the whole thing yellow behind. Go to Object, Order, back a page. And because I nudged, I can nudge my snowflake over, over, over. Now I'm going to grab just the circle, just the ellipse, and I'm going to go to Effects and Lens, and I'm going to go Fisheye. Now this is very important next move. Click Frozen so it'll stay there. I'm actually going to nudge it over. You see what it did? But if we put it in front, we're going to lose our color. But because we froze it, it's that shape. And I can take my Smart Fill tool, set on white, and I can fill that in. And then I can nudge it over. The little one didn't come out very good. It's already white, and it didn't run off the page, but it looks okay. That's pretty cool. I really compliment that gentleman or whoever did it. I'm not going to specify that. But then let's just get rid of all this. You know what? I'm not going to get rid of these because I might play around with it. Now, Well, this one's actually coming out better than the first one. This is something I'm going to do a little bit different. He drew a rectangle. And if you smart fill it with gray and then move it away, you only get the shape of the cylinder itself. You don't get it, it's not going to interfere with our ball. And that's not dead center, but that's close enough. So then take your new hanging ornament and go interactive fill tool and swipe across it. Let's zoom in here. And let's add some more gray. Just add some, I'm going to add a bunch of gray first. You'll see what I'm going to do in just a second. And then I'm going to add white between the gray. Kind of make it look like a sheen, like a real Christmas ornament would look. One more. And the other thing I'm going to do is go right here to smooth it out. Kind of makes it look like a real ornament. Now, granted, it's not in the center, but if we take the whole thing and kind of rotate it like it would be on the tree or whatever. Now let's look at it with a black background. Object, order, back of page. That looks pretty real. Need to take away the outline on our ball. There we go. Anyway, I hope that answered their questions, and thank you for watching.